guys, welcome back to my channel, Good Rules. Today we will be opening up Shopkins mini packs. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, hit that post notification button, and smash that like button. Let's get started. So first up, we have this one that comes on the side. Like that, but we kind of already took it off. And so yeah, I think it's really cute. So let's get started. This. And as you can see, we have this little cute pepper thing. And it looks like it's going to go in this pepper bottle. Let's just open right up. Sorry guys, it's really hard to open. Guess it's a pull. Well, anyway, this little salt shaker will go in here. So I'm gonna put that right here for you guys. Okay, we'll be right in front. So next up, we have this little cookie favorites Shopkins pack. And guys, leave a comment down below what type of Shopkins you like. Do you like the food aisle, like pantry aisle, or whatever? So it comes in this little yellow bag. So I'm gonna just open it on this side since it's pretty hard to open. Okay, so we've got our little mini pack here. And this little hole. So sorry guys, it is really hard to open up these little yellow bags. But okay, gotta open. I really want to get cookie. I've never got like the original cookie. Oh, I have this one actually. It's like a cookie with like glasses on it. I think it's really cute. So we're gonna put it right back in its little bag to go with its friend Pepper. How about we put it right in front to show you guys what comes in. Okay, so now for the time you've all been waiting for, the Shopkins mini pack. Let's get started. So first, we have some tape. So I'm just gonna open this. Oh, and guys, make sure to check out our other videos. Yesterday, I did a nighttime routine, which I thought was really fun. If you guys want us to do a morning routine, then just comment down below. So, a few days ago, we had our first subscriber, and I'm gonna give a shout out to her at the end of the video, so stay tuned to see if it's you. If you guys want a shout out, make sure to subscribe. Then I will be glad to give you guys a shout out. Okay. So, whoa, look at how much little mini packs we got in there. This is so cool, guys. Whoa. Okay. I think all of these mini packs are really adorable. Let's start with tasty takeouts. So it's just a little like dinner box. Like if you wanna get a takeout, you get a takeout. Okay, we got the yellow bag here. Sorry guys, I don't have scissors with me. So we're gonna open up this little bag. And so we got a little hot dog. This is so cute. It goes in tasty takeouts. So if you want a nice little takeout, you got yourself a hot dog. Okay, that will go over with our friend Pepper and Cookie. So that is so adorable. So next up we have sweet selections, like a nice little chocolate. Let's see if we actually get a chocolate. So we have the little yellow bag. I'm just gonna, wish I had scissors with me right now. Oh, so we have those. Okay guys, I just realized I do have scissors. So, thank you so much, scissors. Oh my god, we have jelly beans. I've never got this Shopkins before. And I've been doing Shopkins since I was like 6 and now I'm 9. So, I think this is so adorable. Little jelly beans in there. And that will go with its friends. So, I think that's really cute. Next, we have Farm Fresh. Oh, and guys, on my channel, I don't just do opening up toys. I do like nighttime routines, slime. I do Roblox videos, like video games. So we have a little onion. I've actually got this one before. I really love it because it's like clear. Yeah, I love clear Shopkins. And I love how mini packs have like the little gem things on the back. But that will go over here with its, oh, sorry guys, friends. Now we have Perfect Lips, which is probably gonna be a lipstick. I've got a lipstick bottle before, but no, it's definitely not the same one because mine was much smaller. Ooh, I don't think this is a lipstick. It's a lip balm. Oh my god, I've never got that Shopkins before. Look at how cute it is, guys. Oh, sorry, wrong way. So, for going out, you got yourself a little lip balm, thanks to Shopkins mini packs. Next, we have Tasty Tarts. Probably gonna be like a little pie. I think I've got this one before. Oh no, it's a different one. Oh, my sister might have that one. Oh, look at its little face. So we're gonna put that right back in the bottle, or the can. Next we have a Beauty Collection. This was Sweet Selection. Very similar. I don't ever think I've got this this can before, so I'm excited to see what we got. Oh my god. I've never got this before. This is so adorable. Oh, it's like hair wrapped around the eye. Absolutely love this one. At the end of the video, leave a comment below what your favorite Shopkins was that we opened up today. Okay, next, I have fresh bread. So we're just gonna open that up and see what we got. So it's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. So I love how first it's like a little box of bread, and then you open it up. Okay, there we go. We got our little bag. It might be bread, might not. And it is bread. I don't think I've ever got this one before. So I think that one is so adorable. It's kind of like the onion. Like the same type, except like the onion's onion and the bread is red. So adorable. So cute. I think I'm really liking the bread. I really like the hairbrush as well. But yeah, this salt and pepper one is really cute as well. Here. It's hard to fit. I'll do it after. So next up, this is kind of like the Tasty Takeout can, except it's Cupcake Creations. Sorry guys, I couldn't do that for a second. We got a cupcake, of course. I've never gotten this one before, so look at how adorable that is. So, yum yum. Okay. We have put 2 more. Which one should I do? Leave a comment down below. Should I do Cake Collection or Soap Bottle? Okay. Okay, let's do Cake Collection. so let's open this up. We got our little baggie right here. I think it's gonna be bread. I don't know why. No, it's a cake. It's a carrot cake if you look on top. That is adorable, and it's perfect for the box. They're both squares. Okay. So lastly, we have this soap bottle, which I think is really adorable. How about you guys leave a comment down below if you think that that little box is real cute. Okay. Open up. Comes from the bottom, which I think is really nice. Probably gonna be soap. Hopefully it's not the one I got last time. Who wants to double Shopkins? Oh, I think I've got this one before, but maybe not. It's really cute. Like a toothbrush. If you guys can see the back right there. So I think personally that one is really cute. And if you look at all of our Shopkins, so I'm gonna put this one back. So I'm just going to, sorry guys, I'm just putting the cookie back in its bag, as you guys can see right now, just to show you guys all of it. And then, oh, this is still really hard to open. Oh, got it. Okay, so we're just gonna put that there. We're just putting back this, and then we're gonna go through like all the Shopkins, like just like go down the line, and I think that is going to be really fun. Ah, this is hard to put in, but okay. So I'm. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So sorry. Sorry, we just dropped the camera. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. But anyway, let's get back. So, which one do you guys like the best? Leave a comment down below. And guys, look at over here. Look at how much Shopkins we opened up today. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Oh, and guys, I forgot to announce the first subscriber. So the first subscriber, I don't know if I spelled this right since I forgot to check. Her YouTube account is called Kylie Fox. I don't know if I spelled Kylie right, but anyway, it's Kylie Fox. Go subscribe to her channel and mine, and go check out Kylie Fox's channel. I think it would be really amazing. So Kylie Fox, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for subscribing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. See y'all next time. Goodbye.